Hi, I'm Dr. Jewell, aka the Ear Nerd, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is basic cleaning of your hearing aids. Now, this is necessary because earwax can get into the ports of hearing aids and block them or partially obstruct the sound from going into your ears. And if that happens, what gets into your brain is not a full signal. Imagine smearing peanut butter into your stereo speakers and you get an idea of the sound quality that you might get from a wax blocking up your hearing aid. So I'm going to show you some basic techniques that you can do at home to clean your hearing aids. So every hearing aid, there's several here that are all different types, but every single one of these has some type of a wax trap, okay? Now, each manufacturer has its own different method of changing your wax traps. There's all these different little things, but the principle is the same on each one of them. For instance, this has a fresh wax trap on this end. You take out the old one with this end. I'm going to show you how that works. So this is a typical hearing aid here. And you take the dome off, you push this end into the old one, that pulls the old one out, then you flip it over and put the new one in, okay? This one, very similarly, it's got a new one on that. Oops, you don't have to drop it, but you can. Push this into the old one, pull it out, flip it over, put the new one in, okay? You can also use a little bit of peroxide to remove earwax from the end of a hearing aid. And you can just put a little bit of peroxide on these are little pieces of paper towel, and you just wipe them down. You can also use a little brush, and that gets the majority of the wax and the dead skin off of the device. Now, if your hearing aid has gotten wet, like you've gotten in the shower or the bathtub with it, you need to bring it into us so that we can put it through a specialized dryer. So here we are at Audiology and Hearing Health, all day cleaning hearing aids. We love it.